you all? This is Vasanta. I am taking English for grade 3rd children. Today we are going to learn a beautiful story about small boy named as Noi and how he saves the whale. See children. So see your textbook. This is the whale and this is the small boy. And this is the seashore. What do you know about seashore children? Seashore. Yes. See children, seashore means a place between land and water is called seashore. Everyone like to play in this place, no children? Yes. And this seashore covered with the sand. And see, actually this is the ocean. This ocean covered with a huge amount of water. Let's start the lesson children. Yes, listen carefully. Lesson number 1, Noi saves a whale. Noi and his father lived on an island. Their house was very close to the sea. Noi's father was a fisherman. Every day he left early for a long day's work on his fishing boat and came back home only after dark. One night a great storm raged around their house. In the morning, Noi went down to the beach to see what had been left behind by the storm. As he walked along the seashore, he spotted something in the distance. "What's that?" he asked himself. When he got closer, Noi could not believe his eyes. "Oh my, that's a baby whale!" he exclaimed. A little whale was lying on the beach. It must have been washed up because of the storm, Noi thought. He wondered what he could do to help the whale. He knew that it wasn't good for a whale to be out of the water, as it could not survive on land for long. Listen here children. So you are thinking about that small boy. Yes my children. So he is a small boy. How he saves the big whale. Yes no children. Whale is the biggest mammal in the sea. Okay. See. Noi and his father lived on an island. They were living on island. Island means a piece of land covered with all sides of water. A small piece of land, dirt land covered with the water. If you want to go for that island with the water transportation only. So no other transportation we cannot reach. Yes, no children. So water transportation means boat, ship, okay, small boats. Okay children, we can use this transportation. We can reach that island. So they were living an island. Their house was very close to the sea. It was very close to the sea. Noi's father was a fisherman. Being a parent children, everyone we are having a parent. Yes, no children. And they were engaged with different occupation. Noi's father was a fisherman. So we are having parents. So parents are engaged with one or other occupation. For example, doctor, teacher, painter. So they were engaged with different occupation. Here, Noah's father was a fisherman. Every day he left early for a long day's work on his fishing boat and came back home only after dark. See children, being a fisherman, it's very tough job because they have to wait. So fish will come or not come for their net. They have to wait until that. They should catch the fish and they have to come back. So fisherman is a man who catches the fishes and sells the fish. He is a fisherman. So early in the morning he left the home. At late night he came to home. One night a great storm wrapped around their house. In the morning Noah went down to the beach to see what had been left behind by the storm. Listen here children, one day what happened now? A huge storm took place. Okay, storm means a huge amount of thunder, lightning and huge amount of disturbance will be there in the atmosphere. Okay, see, and after the storm in the morning, the Noah went to near the seashore. Why he went to near the seashore? Because no one is there with him. Because father will go early for fishing. So he was alone in the home. And that time he went to seashore. So what storm had brought to seashore? Okay. As he walked along the seashore, he spotted something in the distance. I don't know children what is meant by seashore. A place between land and water is called seashore. Okay. See here, he went to seashore. He spotted something in the distance. He saw something. Far away he saw something. What's that? He had asked himself. When he got closer, Noah could not believe his eyes only. When he got closer that thing, he did not believe his eyes only. Oh my! He was exclaimed. Means he was surprised. He was surprised. What is that? That is a baby whale. It must have been washed up because of the storm, Noah thought. He thought it must be washed because of storm. It got dust, sand. For that reason only he is thinking to wash the whale. He wondered what he could do to help the whale. He is thinking, so what can I do help for the whale? He knew that it wasn't good for a whale to be out of the water as it could not survive on land for long. He knows very well. So even we knows fish, small fish will be there in your fish tank. So it can be survive out of the water? No children, because so it can be breathed in the water only. So outside in the water only. So it could not be survived out of the water. He knows very well. Okay, let's continue the reading. Just then Noah remembered something. He ran home and got a bucket. He filled the bucket with water from the sea and poured it over the whale. Noah had once read that if a whale is washed ashore, one should pour cold water on it. See children, so fastly he went to home, he brought the bucket. Okay, so he took the sea water only, he washed the whale. And he read somewhere, if we pour the cold water on the whale, it will be easy for breathe to the whale children. So he brought the cold water and he poured on the whale. Now I must be quick, he thought, he ran home again and brought back his pull cart. With much difficulty, he lifted the whale and then put it in the cart. See children, again he must be quick. Again he went to home. He brought the pull cart. See children, this is the pull cart. He brought the pull cart with much difficulty. I think you are getting confused. Now he is a small boy, but whale is the big one. How can he lift? With much difficulty, he lifted the whale and put it on the pull cart. So pull cart, and he took the whale to his home. So once he was home, he filled his bathtub with cold water and put the whale in it. So when he took the whale to his home, in the bathtub he put the cold water. In that only he kept the whale. I hope I have done enough to save the baby whale. Now I thought hopefully. Hopefully what he has thinking about that whale. No, I saved the whale. Noi did everything to make the whale feel at home. He did everything to feel happy at home. He told so many stories about his father's and his own life. And that time what happened? No, he thought he is a good listener for him. Because no one is there with him. And no friends are there for him. So he thought whale became the good friend for him. Okay. But when it became dark and the night drew in, Noi got worried. Father will be very angry with me for bringing a whale inside the house. When it became dark, and that time he became very feared about his father. Why children? I will tell one thing children. So if you are playing outside, yes, no, children, if you are playing outside, on that time you will be seeing that small pup. Small pup was lying on the road. Okay, you want to play with that. You will be bringing that pup to your home, and that time your parents will be scolding. Don't bring the pup to home like that. Okay, and that time what you will do? You will be hiding from your parents. Yes, no, children. Yes, here also he did like that only. He did not tell anything about his father. He maintained a secret. What is that secret, children? He brought the whale to his home. When his father returned, Noi did not tell him anything at first. He managed to keep his secret the whole evening. He even managed to sneak in some supper for the whale. But he knew he would not be able to keep his secret for long, and he was right. So one thing I will tell you children, don't maintain the secret from your parents. What will be happening in the school, in the van, or if you are playing outside, whatever it may be, you have to tell everything to your parents children. Don't maintain the secret. Okay, and don't hide anything from your parents children. Okay, so here when his father returned, when his father came from the fishing, he prepared for the dinner. Okay, so he did not tell anything. He did not tell anything about the whale. So in the evening he managed everything. In the supper time, it was the dinner time. He ate little, okay, and he took some few food for whale. So after that, so he did not maintain the secret for long time, because in his home, father and Noi was only 2 members are living in their house. This is not right to maintain children, for that reason only I told he could not maintain the secret for a long time. Father went upstairs, he saw the whale. Noy had to tell his father everything. When he saw the whale, and that time Noy told everything. When he saw the whale, how he brought the whale to his home, everything he told. But his father wasn't angry. He did not angry on him. Instead of angry, so he is appreciating that small boy. Can we please keep the baby whale, father? He was asking, that small boy was asking, can we keep that baby whale? Why? Because no friends are there. This is the good friend for me and good listener for me. Can we keep the baby whale? It's the only friend I have now. No, I have only one friend. I will take great care of it. I will be taking care about that whale. So, afterwards what will be happening? No? Let's continue the reading. I have been so busy, Noy. I never realized that you were so lonely. No, said Noy's father sadly. I am so happy and proud of you for helping this little whale. But you see, Noy, it must be missing its family. We must take it back to the sea, to the place where it belongs, he added. Listen here, children. So I told in the beginning only he was alone in his home. Even in your home also, both the parents are working means you will be felt loneliness. Yes, no, children. For that reason, father was asking sorry about this, and the father only apologizing the small boy. And we know that we are living with our parents, father, mother, sister. If joint family will be there, we are living with the grandparents also living with them. So we will be happy with living our grandparents. Yes, no, children. So he nicely was explaining. Whale must be missing its family. That's why the whale is sad. It must be taken back to his home. Where it is home will be there. Ocean is its home. So he explained nicely. Instead of angry, he explained nicely about the whale. And he explained that so now it is a small baby. When it will be grew up, it needs huge amount of space and also huge amount of water. So for that he agrees to take back to his home. Noy and his father put the whale in a motorboat and rowed out into the dark sea. Then they put the whale back into the sea water. Noy knew it was the right thing to do, but it was hard for him to say goodbye. However, he was glad his father was there with him. See, children, so what they did know, they took the whale in a motorboat. They went to the sea, and this is very hard to say goodbye for the whale because this is a good friend for him. Nobody is there. Okay, this is very hard for him. Okay, but he was very happy. He was glad to his father because he was very with his father because father was there with him. Noy often thought about the storm whale and wondered how big it would become. One day he hoped that soon one day he would see his friend again. He hoped one day when he grew up and that time he will be seeing his friend. Who is his friend? Noy's friend, children? Whale. Okay. See, children, we read a beautiful story about friendship, compassion and love. Okay children, so this is the wonderful story. I hope you will be enjoying the story children. Okay, so by Benji Davis. Thank you all.